Chashed bag tutorial is here. 2 styles using the same stitch. This is the mini square bag. Appearance: wider at the top, narrower at the bottom. The base is nearly square, works well in a larger size too. This version has a rectangular appearance, rectangular base. You can adjust the size as needed. Materials used: 1mm hollow yarn, 2 colors mixed, 3.5mm crochet hook. Steps. 1. Starting the slip knot. Hold the yarn with your left hand. Place the hook under the yarn. Wrap it counterclockwise over the hook. Pull the yarn through to create a loop. Tighten the yarn tail to make a slip knot. This knot is not counted as a stitch. Creating the first chain stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loop. This is the first chain stitch. Use a marker to mark it. Crocheting chain stitches. Continue making chain stitches. The length of this chain determines the bag's thickness. For example, use 7 chain stitches for a medium thickness. Single crochet along the chain. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook, back loop of the chain. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook, single crochet. Use a marker to mark the first stitch. Continue single crocheting into each chain until the end of the row. Turning your work. At the end of the row, crochet 1 chain stitch and turn your work. Single crochet into each stitch of the row, starting with the marked stitch. Repeat this process, adjusting the number of rows to achieve the desired bag width. 6. Creating the base. At the end of the base rows, crochet 2 single stitches in the same stitch. Work around the edges of the base, crocheting 1 single stitch into the first stitch of each row. At the corners, crochet 3 single stitches into the same stitch. Seven. Working around the base, crochet single stitches into each stitch around the base. Slip stitch to join the first and last stitches of the round. Eight. Building the body. For the next round, crochet 1 single stitch into each stitch around the base. Use a marker to indicate the first stitch of each round. Continue in rounds, alternating between single and long short stitches, extended single crochet. Adjust height to your preference. Nine. Finishing the bag body. When the desired height is reached, slip stitch to join, crochet 1 chain stitch, and cut the yarn. Weave in the yarn ends. Making the handle. Use a different color for clarity. Leave a long yarn tail for sewing. Chain 2 and single crochet into the back loop of the first chain. Turn and work single stitches across the piece to the desired length. 11. Attaching the handle. Position the handle symmetrically on both sides of the bag. Sew the ends securely and hide the yarn tails inside the bag. Now you can create bags of various sizes using this method.